Hi friends, today I want to share with you my cryptocurrency portfolio, which consists of 7 of the most popular and promising coins on the market. Let's see what they are and why I invested in them. The first coin is, of course, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most famous and expensive cryptocurrency, which is the leader in terms of market capitalization and influence on the whole industry. Bitcoin is digital gold that provides security, decentralization, and limited supply of its own. I believe Bitcoin is a must-have in any cryptocurrency portfolio, which is why I have allocated 30% of my funds to it. The second coin is Ethereum. Ethereum is a platform for creating smart contracts and decentralized applications, which has a huge potential for development, and Ethereum is not only a currency, but also an ecosystem that supports many projects and protocols in finance, gaming, social networking, etc. I believe that Ethereum is the future of cryptocurrency, which is why I invested 25% of my portfolio in it. The third coin is Cardano. Cardano is another platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, which is distinguished by its scientific approach and academic basis. Cardano aims to create a better and more sustainable system that addresses scalability, security, and governance. Cardano is one of the most ambitious and promising projects in the crypto world, which is why I have dedicated 15% of my portfolio to it. The fourth coin is Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a native coin of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, which provides its users with many advantages and opportunities. Binance Coin is not only a means of paying commissions on the exchange, but also fuel for Binance Smart Chain, a fast and cheap blockchain for DeFi projects. Binance Coin is one of the most liquid and sought-after coins on the market, so I have allocated 10% of my portfolio to it. The fifth coin is Polkadot. Polkadot is a project that seeks to create a network of interoperable blockchains that will exchange data and value with each other. Polkadot is not only a blockchain, but also a meta protocol that allows developers to create their own blockchains with different characteristics and specializations. Polkadot is one of the most innovative and scalable projects in the cryptosphere, which is why I invested 10% of my portfolio in it.
The sixth coin is Solana. Solana is a high-performance blockchain that can process thousands of transactions per second with low fees and high security. Solana is the ideal platform for decentralized applications that require speed, scalability, and reliability. Solana is one of the fastest-growing and most dynamic projects in the crypto world, which is why I dedicated 5% of my portfolio to it. The seventh and final coin is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a meme coin that was created as a joke but has become one of the most popular and beloved cryptocurrencies in the world. Dogecoin is not only a medium of exchange and store of value, but also a symbol of humor, friendliness, and community. Dogecoin is a coin that makes the crypto world more fun and accessible to everyone, which is why I've allocated 5% of my portfolio to it. That's how I ended up with a cryptocurrency portfolio of the top 7 crypto coins. I hope you had fun learning about them and my motivations for investing. If you liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a like and share it with your friends. And also leave your comments about what kind of cryptocurrency portfolio you have and which coins you prefer. Thanks for watching and see you soon.